we're back for another video. We're so sorry. It's been a long time. I don't know why we just stopped making videos. We're so sorry. But you know how we haven't done the really old and I don't know why. We just hate the hand puppets. But we brought Boom Boom back, brought Jeffrey back, we brought Lucy back, and we brought Mary back. The whole family of hand puppets. We know it's really funny and annoying, but they're there, so it's not our fault. We just brought it back.
Actually, I think it is our fault because we're the one that drew on your hands.
Yeah, I think. Well, today we never actually made slime in our life. But for Christmas, slime.
This was supposed to be like fluffy slime, but it turned out like not.
Well, it really.
Hey, no, I made.
We put way too much shaving.
This doesn't look very good.
Yeah, we put way too much shaving cream, didn't we?
Yeah, way too much shaving cream.
But it turned out really good at first.
And it was fun mixing, except we made a huge mess.
Yeah, and my dad yelled.
She made most of it.
Yeah, that's true. Like, we ran all out of activator, so I had to, make new activator, because it's really cool out of my old slime kit.
Yeah.
I got this thing, and it teaches you how to activate. Do you see this fluffy slime? Green, not fluffy slime. There's some fluffy slime that's not really fluffy.
I tried to color it.
Because we needed Daiso clay. We needed Daiso clay to make it super.
Yeah.
Oh, don't turn me. Sorry. I'm just like, that's my face. I'm sorry. I'm just like, Hi. Please comment down below. Give us hit a big smash down a big like button and please subscribe. Thank you for leaving comments and other videos. Please tell us what your favorite video was so far. I'm pretty sure it was sock challenge.
Maybe it was the one where I'm just like, what?
Oh yeah, the starting of the video was so funny. And then she put a bar of soap in my sock. Obviously I could tell.
Yeah.
And I put shredded cheese. She thought it was puke.
That's what it felt like.
Yeah. Obviously, squirrel, I would put puke in your sock.
Yeah,
Obviously.
Yeah, Moose.
We're sarcastic, Ozzy, no. Okay, oh! Here's my other, really bad slime.
And yay, it's New Year's.
Yeah, it's New Year's Day. We're making a video because it's a special holiday. We lit up some fireworks.
Maybe, if this video is long enough, we can show you some fireworks.
No.
Not ours, though.
Yeah.
Not ours. We already lit all
Well,
ours.
we don't want to make this video 2 hours. They wouldn't like that.
Yeah, we have to go to bed soon.
Yeah, at 10:30. 10:30.
It's like 9 something. I don't get it.
Just so you know, if you're going to make YouTube videos, you better be safe, and if your parents are way overprotective.
Why are we talking about this?
I have no clue, but don't show license plates.
Yeah, because we did that a couple times.
Last names, first names, anything like that, or messy houses.
Yeah. No, we do this. Well, if your mom's really.
If you're wondering, this bow does not come with a hat, but obviously you're not wondering. I just put it on there.
I have glitter all over my face. And
if you look at my sweatshirt is so dirty from
look
making
at my shirt. You can hardly tell, but it's still.
My face
is covered in glitter.
Yeah, me too.
You can't tell though.
We were blowing bubbles.
You can't tell. You can't tell.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can blow bubbles with flour. I don't know.
Yeah, it was actually really fun.
It's easy.
But my sweatshirt is super dirty and her shirt's dirty because she got a whole handful of shaving cream on my stomach. Sorry.
What?
Blow bubble this one.
Okay.
Better. It's still better. Just watch her. Blow big woman, big.
I try. I try.
Yeah, so as I was saying, please smash thumbs up on that big like button and subscribe down for our channel.
And if you don't want to, then I'm not making you. I'm not.
But you can if you want. You definitely can hit a not like button.
Probably should.
Yeah, you probably should hit the not like button, but I mean, you don't have to. I'm not. You probably should though, because our videos suck, obviously, because
we have no clue what to do with them.
No, we've been doing.
Okay, wait,
not even for a month yet. No, I actually way more.
No, yeah.
Okay, so little bubble. Come on, you can do it, squirrel. Blow that bubble.
It's not working.
It's not working. She shall fail.
I failed.
What are we even gonna do on this video? Are we just gonna talk to them because we've been gone for so long?
Yeah, sure.
Normally we actually do stuff. I mean, there's slime in the video.
No.
See? Slime
Wait,
of doom. It's actually it's more goop than slime because it doesn't stretch.
What's not working?
Yeah.
It's not working.
Can I try?
No.
Why not?
I can. Okay.
Okay, you hold the camera. Poo.
Exactly.
I like to use small pieces. I don't know why.
I'm bored.
I'm bored too. But we gotta get this video done.
Hey, and this is like slushy stuff that we got in a huge fight with earlier. Like, can you see that? Yeah, it's like slush. Slush.
Oh, yeah, that bubble just popped in the face!
Did you see that?
No, they didn't see it, Jordan.
No. Oh, I'm like, are you nickname? We're bad at that.
Yeah.
We suck at it.
I'm sorry! Burp! Beep!
Stop.
Say bubble in your face!
Yeah. Like, yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I want to show you a funny sign that we have in our house.
Wait, what?
Here, let's I didn't drop anything.
Changing the toilet paper will not cause pain damage.
It's funny. It's right above our toilet. Isn't that weird? Why would it be above our toilet? Because it's above the toilet. Sorry, just...
Oh, no, it's about toilet paper, but...
Yeah, my family never changes toilet paper. They're just dorks like that.
Well, especially her brother, Dino Gamer.
Yeah. Dino Gamer 2721. He makes video too. A lot more than that. She's been doing it for about a year. He has better experience than us, but... please check out his videos. They're weird. Like, really weird, but some are way better than ours. Some are really dorky.
Some are like way worse than ours, and some are...
If you remember the bath challenge, that might be one of your favorites too. It was so cold. Did we even do a bath challenge? No, I don't think we did.
No, did we? I thought we did.
No, we didn't do it on video.
We didn't?
No, but we've done like 3 bath challenges in our life, just not on video.
Yeah.
Maybe we did. We'll have to check on our YouTube. And if we haven't, we promise we'll get there someday.
Yeah.
We never got to the haunted camper stuff like we wanted to.
Oh, yeah, that's that.
But we never go in the camper anymore. So, like, that's never going to happen.
Maybe, like, in the summer.
Yeah, maybe, squirrel.
Maybe.
Just maybe.
Yeah, just maybe.
Oh, can we show them the thing that I got for Christmas?
What?
Big bubble balloon.
Oh, yeah.
We'll show you a video that we are going to do no matter what over the summer.
And yeah, the camera lady, if you remember her, she's gonna be shooting it because like we're gonna be in
my mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The camera lady, aka her mom, and that's a cat. If you didn't know, it's a cat.
I just dropped.
Show them the cat because it's a cat.
Yeah.
And it's adorable. And
And they can't.
Give me it. See, it's a coat. Can you see that? Yeah, I think if you can't see that, then sorry.
Yeah, we're gonna be running into each other.
Mine's the red one. Obviously, like.
Yeah, well, it's not basically hers. They're both of ours, but basically they're just mine because I got them for Christmas.
Except like the other, yeah.
It doesn't matter.
This is the cat. Look at this is a cat.
Okay, so
Oh, there's another cat. There's that one.
My hedgie's in there. I got a fingerling up there.
And you got a Furby.
No, it's not a Furby. It's a Hatchimal.
Oh, yeah,
It hatched really quickly. I don't know why. I just don't know where it's at the moment.
It's the Hatchimal's right here.
I know every single letter in sign language, even though you don't really want to hear that. A.
It's not working.
B. C. Press its stomach. Press its belly.
Oh. No, it's just
C. Wait. D. Oh, that's F. I'm sorry, that was F.
No.
He's sleeping, woman. Let him go to bed. Yeah, that's enough of him. Anyway, we'll see you later. We'll be back for another. video tomorrow, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, tomorrow. Definitely tomorrow. Because we haven't done it for a long time. So
I don't know what this was about.
you know what? But bye. We love you guys. We hope you have an awesome New Year's.
Well, not like love, but love.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Okay. Bye. Say bye. 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 Bye.